Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Evelyn. In today's video, let's make these sweet and spicy air-fried plantains. So here I have all the spices I'll be using today. Feel free to use any spices of your choice. These are just basic spices you may already have at home. So here I have some paprika powder, garlic powder, onion powder, dried hot ground pepper. I got this from my local African store, and this is just to add a little heat to our recipe today. And of course, I'll be using some salt. I'll just go ahead and combine all my spices in a bowl. I'll be using a 1/4 teaspoon of each, a pinch of salt, and 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. You can use any oil of your choice. Next, I'll just mix to combine and set this aside. Here I have my already peeled plantains. I'll just go ahead and cut them into slices. If you're not comfortable doing it just the way I'm doing, please feel free to use your chopping board. If you're still watching to this point and haven't subscribed to my channel, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and also give this video a thumbs up. I'd love to have you here. Now, I'll just add my mixed spices into my plantains, and once I'm done with that, I'll just go ahead to toss them to combine everything. You can also go in with your spatula. Whatever works for you is perfectly fine. You just mix until all the plantain slices are perfectly coated. Now let's get to frying them. I'm carefully laying my plantains in my air fryer basket, and I'm going to air fry them for about 12 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Make sure to check if you need to flip them halfway through. I didn't need to flip mine. My plantains were perfectly fried on both sides after about 10 minutes. I've listed all the ingredients I use for this recipe in the description box. Don't forget to check on that. And now my plantains are ready. You can serve them with anything you want. They're a perfect side dish for your rice dishes, or you can have them with some fried eggs or stew. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so and give this video a thumbs up. Till my next video, bye.